Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm at Five Below and I'm looking for Labubus. And I'm over here in the room decor section. They have this on clearance, a cute little Care Bear backpack. And of course they always have cute phone cases at Five Below. I like the blue bow one. And I love these shoes, but they didn't feel very comfortable, and these are cute too. I think the problem with me looking for Labubus at Five Below is I have no idea where they are supposed to be. So I'm just basically shopping, and then when I see something that looks like stuffed animal or something, then I look to see if they're the knockoff Labubus. And I know they don't look exactly like Labubus, but I think they're good enough and they're kind of cute.